We're a technology aggregator of credentialing services.
I own Fat Boy Electric. We are commercial and industrial electricians.
Our website provider had requested that we look at putting video on our website just to kind of freshen it up, and I had this preconceived notion that video was going to cost an arm and a leg to do, and we were a startup company and budgets were tight. And when I started doing research, I noticed this video as a service or a subscription service that was cost effective.
We had done a few videos of our own with our phones, and that didn't go very far very well.
I kind of leveraged the expertise of the team here. I gave them a good overview of our business model and our value proposition, and they did a good job working with the team to tighten up the messaging to make sure that we were getting the connection with the audience we were targeting.
There's more people seeing the videos with your help than I could do by myself. I can post on my Facebook, and I can share through email and stuff, and I've gotten thousands of views with you all where I would have gotten tens of views.
You know, part of the service that TRO provides is some campaigns, and our click-through rate is about 75% on the campaigns where we post a video.
Anybody that wants to get their story out there for people to see, I can't think of an industry where you would not benefit from having a good video program in today's age. I'm Ben Stallings. I'm in the Video Club.
I'm Brian Heatwall, and I'm in Video Club.